Jack, come here, baby. It's movie time.
I'm here, honey. What are we watching tonight?
I was thinking maybe the new release, My First Love?
Oh, no, not again. I want action, explosions, cars flying.
Ugh, you and your loud movies. It's the weekend. I really need something sweet.
Love? There's love in action movies too. The hero always saves his girl.
Yeah, after destroying 10 cars and 3 buildings.
That's called passion, babe.
Oh my, you just like loud things that go boom.
And you just like people crying and kissing for 2 hours.
Excuse me, my movies have feelings and stories.
My movies also have stories, come on. Why do you want to watch a movie that makes you cry?
Because it has depth. Romance makes you feel something.
Yeah, boredom. Baby, you can feel a lot of things watching an action movie too.
Well, my romantic movies have beautiful music and warm stories.
My action movies have amazing effects and big sound.
And I can't hear myself think when you watch them.
That's the point. You feel the movie, not just watch it.
Oh my, Jack, you're impossible.
And you're adorable when you argue, baby.
Don't baby me. I still want a romantic movie.
Sorry, my bad. Well, what if we pick something in the middle?
Like what? A romantic fight?
No, how about an animated movie?
Animated?
Yes, it has action, love, family, everything. And it's fairly short for the night. How do you think?
Come to think of it, that's so true. I haven't watched cartoon in a long time.
Let's do it. Can you get the popcorn? I will find a good movie.
Deal, honey. But next week, it's my turn to pick the movie.
Sure thing, sweetheart.
Hey, Mike, are you sure you know how to fix this?
Of course, little brother. I watched 3 YouTube videos last night.
That doesn't sound very trustworthy.
Relax. Every man knows how to change a car's oil. So, step 1, we open the hood. Easy stuff.
Okay, that we can handle. Wow, so many wires in here.
Yeah, don't touch the red one. It looks expensive.
Do you even know what it actually is?
Hand me that wrench, please.
Here you go. What are you doing with it?
Just loosening this bolt. It's stuck a bit.
You sure it's the right one?
Positive. I've seen people do this all the time.
Okay, you sound like you actually know something.
Of course. Now we check the oil level. That's very important.
That sounds reasonable. Where's the oil stick?
Right here. See? It's black and kinda slippery.
Ugh, that's gross. Why are you touching it like that?
Because I'm brave. Mechanics get dirty, that's normal.
Okay. I should have trusted more. You're definitely something, just not sure what.
Haha, trust your brother more. Finally, we add new oil. Simple job.
Great. How much should we pour?
Just a little, maybe half the bottle.
Half? That's a lot, Mike.
Don't worry, cars love oil. It's like coffee for them.
Oh no, that's not how it works.
All right, we close everything tight. Easy peasy.
You're doing this too confidently. Should I be worried?
Don't be. Everything is all set. We can start the engine and celebrate our success.
Sounds good. Let me hit the start button.
Oh, hang on, Tom.
What's that sound?
Oh my, the floor is covered in oil, Tom. It's everywhere.
Oh no, I thought you said it's all set.
Okay, I think maybe half the bottle was too much.
You think? Oh no, my shoes are soaked.
Don't panic. We can clean this up.
You clean it up. You're the mechanic. Hey, you poured the oil. Because you told me to.
Because you believed me.
Because you sounded smart.
Well, to be honest, the only mistake I made was pouring half the oil in.
Ugh, you're unbelievable. What do we do now? Oh no, Mom and Dad's tools are all dirty.
I think we need to go grab some cleaning tools. This cannot be cleaned with water.
Oh man, next time I'm bringing my car to the mechanic, the real mechanic.
Sorry, but hey, at least we bonded, right?
Bonded in oil and regret, Mike.
A true brotherhood moment.
More like a brotherhood disaster. Ugh.
Okay, David. I think the new plant should go here.
That corner will make it hard to water that plant, don't you think?
Oh my, you and your water obsession again.
Hey, plants drink, just like we do. It's science.
Yes, but too much water and it will drown.
Drown? No way, darling. I know how much I should water my plants.
Ha! I trust you, but this spot gets perfect sunlight. There's no shade at all.
Sunlight's so bright it can actually give the plant a sunburn.
Sunburn? What? Plants cannot get a sunburn. Plants need sunlight, you genius.
They also need water. My side has the hose right here.
Oh, so you're just too lazy to walk 2 steps, huh?
Efficiency, baby. That's what smart gardening is. This one looks so dehydrated, honey, it needs my spot.
It looks that way because it has been sitting in the corner of the store for weeks. It needs sunlight now. That's what it needs.
Come on, this spot is just so fitting for it. Look, it can sit here perfectly.
Slowly, slowly. It's quite heavy. Don't drop it.
Oops. Oh no.
David, you dropped it.
It slipped. My shirt. Oh, look at this mess.
The plant's fine. The plant's fine. Oh, I'm so sorry for that shirt, darling. Is that the one you just bought?
Yes, but no worries. The plant is all right.
Well, now that the pot is broken, we need to put it in the garden then. Haha, neither of our spots works.
You're laughing? I'm soaking in mud.
I'm just happy that we don't have to argue anymore.
But admit it, my spot was better.
Oh, thank you, my muddy king.
That's fair. Now, can I go clean up?
Sure, I'll take care of our green baby. Muffin, you are the cutest cat ever.
Wait, why are you calling Tiger that way?
Tiger? Oh my, it's a baby cat, not a jungle king.
But look at him, he's fierce and strong. See that little paw attack?
That's not fierce, that's clumsy. He almost fell off the couch.
Still, Tiger sounds brave. Every man wants a cat named Tiger.
Every man? My dad's cat is called Cupcake.
I mean, Cupcake does sound interesting. Muffin is just, too soft.
That's why I love it. Soft, sweet, and a little fluffy.
Okay, let's ask him. Hey, little guy, do you like Tiger?
Or Muffin, sweetie, which one?
He's not answering. Oh, look, he's climbing on the table.
Oh no, not my coffee.
Wait, he's heading for my...
Ben, your laptop.
Oh my. Oh no, he spilled coffee all over it.
Here, take the towel. Bad cat, Muffin, where did he go?
My poor laptop, it's ruined. Oh, Tiger is running far away already. Not a single drop on his fur.
Oh dear, he's sure a menace.
Oh my, Sarah, I guess he just told us his name. Menace.
Menace? It suits him perfectly.
Finally, something we agree on.
Welcome to the family, Menace. I have some lessons for you today.
All right, Ethan, we need food for the whole week.
Great! Let's start with pizza and ice cream.
Oh no, we're starting with vegetables, young man.
Haha, okay. Let's go grab your green stuff.
Broccoli, spinach, and carrots. Okay, what's next?
Chicken wings. Come on, Mom, they have a big discount.
Fine, but only if you help cook them.
Of course, Mom. I am planning to make a big meal for everyone today.
Don't try too hard, baby boy. The last time you cooked, we almost needed to call the fire department.
That was one tiny smoke cloud, Mom. Tiny.
It was a black cloud, honey. All right, I'll help you this time, okay?
Really, Mom? That's awesome.
I'll chop the veggies and you can focus on handling the wings. Oh my, Mommy is the best. You always say that when you need help, baby boy.
Because it's true. You're the best, Mom.
No matter how old you grow, you'll always be my kid. And you'll always be my favorite chef.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us how many people are there in your family. Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.